Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 306. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them and install free app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Then you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now finally you can select Send on an Android and Receive on TCL. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only one photo. Come on! In my case this one, choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on TCL, select No Thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive, or we can also scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on TCL, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the QR code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!